Hi guys, today I've got an easy messy bun hairstyle on short curly hair. To start, I'm just going to add some shine spray and this helps prevent frizz. And I'm going to divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height and then just clip that top section out of your way for later. With the remaining hair, pop this into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. And we're just going to push that loop up towards the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Don't worry about tucking all of the curls in because some of them look nice tumbling out. Release the top section down and I'm just going to take that middle crown section and pin it to the top of the bun with a few bobby pins. Then working my way slightly over to the right, I'm going to do the same, so grab a few curls and pin them to the top of the bun. Then repeat the same steps on the left hand side, so grab a section of hair, position it at the top of the bun and secure with a couple of pins. With the side sections, I'm going to just loosely twist these towards the head and bring them to the side of the bun and secure. If you've got any curls that are too short, we're just going to add a bobby pin onto the end and then just tuck them underneath the curl closest to it. Then simply repeat on the left hand side. I've left some curls out to frame the face. So with all those ends, I'm just going to gather them up very loosely, push them towards the head and secure with a pin. And then we're just going to repeat this all over the bun so it's not all flapping about. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.